Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Lizzie. Today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to achieve this Nigerian bridal gele. If you want to know how I was able to do this, please continue watching the rest of this video, and if this video helps you in any way, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share. Thank you guys so much. So the first thing I did was to fold the edges of the gele like this. You just want to fold it in so that it's not rough at the front while you tie. Next up, I went ahead to make about 4 pleats on the fabric. So after doing that, I placed the fabric on my head like this, and I traced it down towards my neck area on my right hand side and also on my left hand side. So the measurement for this particular gele today is 65-35, so that makes it 100. So you have a very short hand on one side and a very long hand on the other side. So the long hand is the one that is going to stay above my ear, while the short hand is the one that I am holding right now, that is coming to the front of my face. So this is the 35, and we have the longer hand, which is the 65. So all I'm going to do is to secure the long hand to make sure that it's firm on my head, just because I'm tying on myself. And then at this point, bringing the short hand to the front like this. So I'm going to form a V shape at the front. Make sure that the V shape is facing the tip of your nose. You want to get the middle of your head. So I'm just going to make 4 pleats again with the short hand of the fabric, which is the 35 part of the fabric. And once that is done, I'm going to pick the last pleat, which is the 4th pleat on the short hand, and I'm just going to place it on this other side of my face, making sure that it's very firm on my head, and I'm going to pin that twice. At this point, I'm going to open the longer hand of the fabric like this, which is the 65 part of the fabric. This is very important. Make sure that you open the back the way that I am doing it like this as well. It's just going to create enough space for your fans when you are going to make your fans. So make sure that you open the back of your longer hand of your gele the same way that I am doing it. And then once you bring this long hand to the front, you discover that the first pleat that you initially made automatically forms itself. So all I'm going to do next is to make about 3 pleats, and once that is done, I'm going to pin it at the middle of my head. But once you bring the long hand to the front like this, pull your fabric out, pull it out very well so that you can have enough space for your fan. So just pull that out. So guys, at this point, I'm just going to start making my pleats, but for this other side of my gele, I'm not going to concentrate so much on that side. I'm going to concentrate more on the other side of my face, which is where I'm going to start making my fans, which is this part of my face. So I'll move towards the middle like this, making sure that I drag the excess fabric towards the left hand side of my face. So at this point, I'm just going to start making my fan pleats. I'm going to do this from the middle of my head towards the right hand side of my face. So once I'm done making my fan pleats, I'll place my hand on the last pleat and pin it, and then at this point I'm just going to wrap that area up properly like this. As you can see in the video, my hand is still on the last pleat just so that it doesn't unravel. So twist the remaining hand of the gele to the back like this and pin it. So you can pin it once, you can pin it twice. At this point, this gele is really firm on my head. It doesn't feel like it's going to loose at all. Moving on to the front, I'm just going to start tracing the pleats properly just so that it looks good and it actually looks nice, and I'm going to style it the way that I would want it to be, the way that it actually looks bridal. So this actually does not take so much time. And then I forgot to mention that this particular fabric is actually not too soft and not too hard as well, so it's just in between, and I really did love the outcome of all of this. So this is just me styling the gele so that it comes out really nice and looks really good. So guys, if you've watched this video up to this point, I really do appreciate you for supporting me and for watching my videos. I love you so much. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I love you so much as well. And if you're watching me for the first time, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share. Trust me, you're going to love it here. You're going to see lots of amazing videos that will help you. Thank you all for watching this video. I do hope that it was helpful. This is basically just about the end of this tutorial, and I do hope that you enjoyed every bit of it. At this point, this is just basically me styling it so that it comes out really nice and good. Thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to turn on your notification button so that each time I post you get the notification and you'll be the first to know. And here is what the back of the gele should look like. I just tucked everything in and pinned it properly just so that it looks clean and nice at the back as well. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.